So we have two examples of how to graph with polar coordinates. So we see r is 3 and theta is pi over 2. Now I usually like to do the theta first. Think about how far I'm rotating. So pi over 2, that's a fourth of a circle. So I'm rotating up to here. And then I count out on that line 3 units, 3 circles. So there's 1, 2, it'd be right there. We're just graphing the point. Okay? So plot the point. 3 comma pi over 2 on the polar grid, and we did that. All right, there's another example. Plot the point. Pi over 6. Okay, so pi over 6, that's a third of the way, right? Between pi, or between 0, the polar axis. So this is the polar axis. Between pi over 2 and 0, the polar axis, would be pi over 6. So it'd be right there. Now, notice that it's -2. So you're thinking about this line here, but you can't go 2 in the positive direction. You have to go in the negative direction. So go back 2 circles, 1, 2, and it would be right there. Do you see how this is all the same line, pi over 6? Now we're going in the negative direction because this r is a -2. Okay, so that one's a little bit different. Now you might be saying, well, would that be the same point then if I went 7 pi oops, 7 pi over 6 comma +2. Yeah, that would be the same point, wouldn't it? Okay, so it's just the way they gave it to us. All right, so that's a little bit on graphing with polar coordinates.